try natin itong ano, crepe. Pistachio.
Wow.
Yan. So, ito yung shawarma na chocolate. But instead of it's being hot, guys, are you ready sa ating gala today?
Yeah.
Where are we going? We're going to Paranaque. We're gonna eat barbecue. Correct? Uy, energy, energy!
Kakasal pa niya yan!
Hello po! Happy Sunday to everyone! We are here at Ate Fasan Shawarma House. And ito, makikita po natin dito ang the very first in the Philippines chocolate shawarma. Yan. So ito yung shawarma na chocolate. But instead of it's being hot, naka-cold po yung lumalabas doon, parang freezer. So this is very first here in the Philippines. Hello! Just wave hi to the vlog! I'm telling the Filipino that this is the first here in the Philippines. Chocolate shawarma. Since when, sir? Since when?
2 months ago.
Oh, so very new. Yes, very new. So, this is the kunafa. Sir, what's the kunafa?
Arabic. It looks like you know, the little needle one.
Noodle?
But sweet one.
So you put sugar?
Yes, with syrup and sugar.
Yes.
And some pistachio, whatever, you know.
So, sir,
It's the pistachio.
yeah, that's the pistachio.
Yes.
So this is the very famous Dubai chocolate.
This the one. That's how they make it.
Yes, but yours is much affordable.
Yes.
Only
yes.
350.
Yes, making it a bit cheaper than some
Yes.
others, so they can,
Yes. Thank you very
so
much.
they can make the Filipino happy.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much, sir.
It's the first time here. He's the boss.
So,
I'm not the boss.
thank you. So,
He's the boss.
here the boss is preparing the pancake,
Very, very
the crepe, the crepe.
Dubai special pistachio.
That's special.
So this ingredient it came from Dubai, or you just make it here?
That's all the ingredients come from
Ah, I
Dubai, but
see.
they make it here homemade.
Yes, yes.
Everything, even the chocolate homemade. Not
So this is cold. Unlike the shawarma for the meat, this is cold.
We
Cold.
got aircon. It's
Aircon, yeah. Because if it's hot, it will melt.
hot after you have to drink it.
Yes. It becomes a hot chocolate. Right. So the boss here is mixing the kunafa with the pistachio cream. Yeah. See how creamy this is. And now the crepe. The boss is making the crepe, Dubai special pistachio chef. Wow. That's the kunafa with the pistachio cream. Looks so tasty. You see, many people are coming here from all over the place. We came from Cavite, they came from Makati and Manila.
I come from Smaraya. We got pistachio Dubai, but not like this.
Not like this. This one is more special,
Other ones
yes.
just like it's all original. I came to YouTube 2 days ago to make a video here.
What's the YouTube channel?
Try it, try it.
Oh, so this is the kunafa. Okay. So the boss will let us try the kunafa cream. Fresh. Kain po tayo.
Sarap? I know.
Ito pala ang lasa.
I know, sarap. I know.
2 thumbs up. Yung lasa ng kunafa, para siyang pansit na sweet, pero not too sweet. Not too sweet.
No.
Very good. It's not too sweet.
It's perfect.
Yes. So that's the crepe. Wow.
That's fresh chocolate Dubai. They have some frozen one, but that's the fresh.
You are relatives, sir?
Friend.
Friend, your friends. Family friend. So you also have store here? No, you just came here to visit your friend.
Yes.
Wow. Now the boss is pouring the chocolate syrup, Nutella.
Real Nutella. Yeah.
Very generous. Very generous.
Not kuripot.
Not kuripot. Correct. Tama, sir. Not kuripot. Imagine for 290 pesos only. You can, yes, you can taste original Dubai. Oh, enough na.
We need a spoon.
And this one is cream.
That's the white chocolate.
White chocolate.
That's white chocolate.
Wow, look at that.
They make it homemade.
Oh, homemade white chocolate. Wow. Made with love. Wow. And they also decorate it very nice. Like a 5-star crepe.
Why you put my name there?
Wow. Voila. It's like a work of art. So we'll see the actual. Okay. So, ito na po. Yun. Ganun pala kinakaskas yung mga chocolate white and dark chocolate. Wow. You see that? Fresh and it's cold. Because if it's hot, it will be hot chocolate. The very first in the Philippines. Also, you're gonna put additional chocolate on the top?
Yes.
Wow!
Yes.
Are you making profit out of this?
Maybe a little bit.
Just
to make everybody happy.
For 290 pesos, tingnan nyo naman.
If you go to Manila, that will cost you 1,000 pesos.
Yes, sure. Wow. Wow.
That's how we make it for everybody and not just for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Yes. And God bless your business. Shukran. Okay. Thank you. Ito talaga ang talagang testament na masarap talaga.
Ito, kita niyo yung mga pinggan namin.
Simot sarap, no ma'am?
Simot sarap. Tapos, ang presyo, reasonable.
Yes.
Kain na po.
Wow, sarap ng kain ni ma'am.
Hindi ko, gusto na po.
Wow. Ma'am, ano pong name ninyo?
Selly po.
Selly. From?
Manila.
Nice meeting you po, Ma'am Selly. Paubos na yung...
Hinanap pa po namin to. Hindi namin to alam.
Kagaya rin po kami, winays namin. From Cavite po kami. So, kayo po lahat, family?
Family po.
From Sampaloc, Manila.
Ito Makati. Ito Cavite.
Cavite? Saan po kayo sa Cavite? Bacoor. Kami po Cavite City. Opo. Sino po si Sir? Ang roots niyo po Cavite City? De Castro. Joey, mga De Castro sa Cavite City? Filoteo, yes. Oo. Judge Filoteo.
Hindi po, ito po yung nakukulong ng Filoteo. Sige po.
Naka-video tayo. Thank you po.
Masarap po.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Eto na. Wow. Thank you. So,
Sa ano po, sa Wapo, videohan nyo rin.
O sige, sige. So Abu is about to taste the kunafa. With pistachio cream. Oh, what can you say?
Sarap.
Anong lasa? Not too sweet, no?
Not too sweet.
Oo, tama-tama.
Texture nung ito.
Oo, makunat-kunat. Oo, so parang noodles, no? Para siyang noodles. Yes. Okay. So, i-video mo sila, Papa. Abu will video the pistachio and Nutella waffle. See you guys in a bit. Bye-bye!
Wow.
Sige.
It's been long time, but the sweet one only a couple of months.
Wow, it's very thick.
Yes.
Thick, huh?
مثله.
Big boy.
طلعنا اسمه ولا
Guys, they gave you free marshmallow and chocolate. You say thank you. You wave to them. Ayun, keep. Oh, this is your free goodies. What will you say to the boss?
Thank you.
Thank you for the candies.
Thank you.
Ito din, Jacob. Oh, you try.
لما انت ما تقول لي ابوي الدادي بيشتغلوا بيعملوا مصلحه هي شو هي تيلا ولا شقه
Wow.
لا انا هيك خاف كانه عمي ولا ما عمي كانه على اليوتيوب ولا ما على اليوتيوب رافع لي يا عمي طوني
Very nice.
شو تسوي لا اسا عم يقامز عنك لا اسا معلق عم يصور ما عم يصور
Wow. Thank you. Oh. Wow.
Fajita. Joshua, say hi to the vlog. Hi. This is their Dubai chocolate. This is their pistachio waffle. Yummy. Check busog natin. Macy, later na yung cellphone. May mapapanood ka ng mami mo. Macy, kuhay ka muna.
Cut the clip. Cut the clip.
This is their chicken fajita. Let's go! Joey, sarap pala ng fajita nila.
Chicken tayo.
Try nyo. Try mo. Ang loob niya, chicken cubes na may cheese, and then may peppers, and then may cream. Masarap.
Ano to? Yung pang dito?
Hindi siya maanghang. Creamy. Talagang may lasa silang parang distinct flavor ng herbs, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Kasi parang Mediterranean na Middle Eastern.
Sarap.
Kain po tayo!
Di mo sabi mo magbablog ka na? Hello mga idol. Sabi mo? Paano yun? Macy, paano yun? Sabi niya mga idol. Sabihin mo dali.
Yung mga idol ng promise nyo.
Good morning.
Mga idol.
Parang
Dali tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ano? Tastes good. Try natin itong crepe. Pistachio Nutella crepe. Let's try!
Picture ako sana pero sige, okay lang.
Cheers!
Ang tawag dito, pahita.
Fajita.
Chicken pahita.
Chicken bite lang, bite. Good. Di maanghang. Ano?
Load na si Josh ng chocolate. Let me see your smile. Yay! Yummy? Yummy? Ito na po yung local version, Philippine version ng Dubai chocolate na may kunafa and pistachio. Tikman po natin. This is much cheaper. 300 ano to?
350.
350 pesos isang bar. Kamukha, no? Kamukha siya, oh. Oh, try, Macy. Kumikot ka na. Ganun. Oh, tapos, hati kayo ni Josh. Bigyan mo siya. Tapos, you look at the camera. Oh, wait, Ate Macy.
big one!
Oh, cheers kayo, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Taste.
Parang meron din.
Kasi taste.
Good.
Ano? Sarap? Ako naman, tikman natin. Tikman natin. Not too sweet. Shane, ikaw naman. Oh. Describe mo. Hindi ko lang siya Dubai chocolate. Yan eh. Kuna ka. Hindi matamis, no? Yan, kaya punta na po kayo dito sa dito sa BF Homes. Iaano na lang namin po yung link, yung description sa baba para mapuntahan nyo rin ito, para matikman nyo yung authentic na Dubai chocolate and murang-mura, very affordable. Ang sabi po nung may-ari, talagang they made it affordable for the Filipinos. Kaya ako nagpasalamat sa kanila. Kasi hindi sila talaga for profit lang. Kita nyo na, very generous ang serving. Tsaka authentic ingredients. Kaya masarap. Puntahan ko dito sa BF Homes, no? Ano ba to? Paranaque?
BF
Resort. So we will put the address and the name of the restaurant in the link below. Dubai Original Chocolate. Yummy. Let's try their chocolate balls covered with coconut. Hi!
Yummy? Yummy?
Hindi rin matamis. Parang siyang, brownie na moist and may coconut. Hindi matamis. Pwede sa mga diabetic kagaya ko.